पोलाचो तो पोल म्हणटा की काँग्रेस जिम्मेदार आहा म्हणटा DPR तेंच्यांनी पास केलो 2007 के 8 म्हणटा तो. सो तुमी कशें पळयता कारण पर्रीकरान तेन्ना उलयल्लें.
सो डबल ट्रॅकिंग तो इशू डबल ट्रॅकिंग मनोहर पर्रीकरान म्हणलेलें वी वील नॉट अलाव डबल ट्रॅकिंग उतरांक गुणावपा सोदतात लोक आनी BJPचे आमदार गुणयतात. आमचो संकल्प आमोणकर वयतालो व्हिडिओ काडटालो दाखयतालो एक फुरसा कडेन हात घातालो ते काडी येता म्हणून म्हाका जाय चोवपा हांव वयतलो मुर्मुगांव ते सेम फुरसा कडेन चोवपा वयतलो ते काडे आजून येत जाले. हांव कितें म्हणटा तूं आतां पक्ष चेंज केलो म्हणून हिशोब मोडना हिशोब उरता आहा जाल्यार तुवें डिफेंड करपा जाय तुगे स्टँड टेकन. सो दॅट इज नंबर 1. नंबर 2 आतां रेल्वे मिनिस्ट्रीन वेबसायटीची घायला अबाउट दीस डबल ट्रॅकिंग. फर्स्ट इज टू ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ कोल एंड मिनरल ऑयल एंड सेकंड इज टुरिजम. हांव एक फकत एक विचारप सोदतां मिनिस्ट्रीचे वेबसायटी घायले ते एग्जॅक्ट कॉन्फर्मेशन येता की तें डबल ट्रॅकिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दीस कोल इज फर्स्ट प्रायमरी. BJP आमचे गोंयांत फोट मारता सांगपाक ना दीस इज नॉट फॉर कोल आनी CMूय म्हणटा की आमी कोलाचो कॅपेसिटी वाडोवची. तूं म्हाका सांग गोंयचे फोट मारलो ना ते उतर दिल ना ते दवरलो ना कितें प्रॉमीस केलें ते आनी कासिनो येशनात परत परत कासिनो येयले. आतां व्हडलो कासिनो पासून येयला तुमी पळयात सगळे आमकां प्रॉमिसीस इट इज प्रॉमिसीस एंड लायज इतलेंच BJPचे हे ते. नाव दीस पार्ट वे दे मेकिंग दीस प्रॉमिसीस द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट. सेकंड टुरिजम पळय सुप्रीम कोर्टान गोवा फावंडेशन गेलो तेन्ना टू चॅलेंज द रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅकिंग इन दॅट घाट सेक्शन वे एनवायरमेंट इश्यूज आनी सगळें रेज केल्ले तेन्ना CWCन सांगलें की this is not viable, this will cause lot of environmental destruction. And railways was trying to justify it by saying that passenger traffic increase जातलो. So and also the wagons of the goods. Supreme Court exposed केलो that this is a false statement, that you are not using this single line to its full capacity. म्हणलो तुगे डिमांड आसा तो इतलो न्ही. सो देर इज नो जस्टिफिकेशन फॉर अ रेल्वे सेकंड लायन. तेन्ना आमचे गोवा फावंडेशनान लिमीट आशिल्लो एंड लिमिटेड द पिटिशन ओनली टू दॅट घाट सेक्शन. Probably if they had said whole railway double tracking was not feasible, not necessary, I think Supreme Court would have quashed the whole thing. But petition was only about that section, that's why Supreme Court quashed only that section. So you see, the justification to say that we need a double tracking, whether it's for coal, whether it's for passenger, Supreme Court put a full stop to their lies. Second, आता तूं म्हणटा टुरिजमा म्हण तूं कितें ट्युरिस्टांक हिंग बसोवन कर्नाटका वतलो आनी कर्नाटकासून हिंग गोंय परत हाडटलो. दोय आहा तो काळो जावन धाडटो ताका आनी तो थिंग दोय आहा जाल्यार हिंग काळो जावन येतलो कोल वॅगनान बसून. केसलो ट्युरिजम हे मॅजीक शो करूं सोद जाल्यार हांव नेना. बट दीस ट्युरिजम वीच दे आर ट्रायिंग टू टॉक ऑन दीस will be bad. Number 2, तूं जाणा also transportation, we don't have proper technology for this transportation. कित्याक ते fly येता and you have all this coal which keeps spilling on the way. That is very harmful. That is very harmful because it gets into so fine particles, it will create respiratory problems. लोकांक sickness जातले. Along the route तूं पास जालो मागीर तें उरलें पडलें थिंगा तें उडोवन गेलें जाल्यार तुगे घरा पावलें कोण भोंवता जाल्यार थिंगा तुका नाका वयतलें बॉडीन वयतलें तुका लंग कॅन्सर आनी दुसरे सिकनस जातले. सो दीस इज वाय वी आर ऑल फायटींग फॉर इट. आमी असेंब्लीन 2022 नाशिल्ले ते. हांव एक रिक्वेस्ट करता तुमगे चॅनलान तुम कडेन सगळे विडियो येता कोण सपोर्ट केल्ले ओपोज करपाक असेंब्लीन उबो रावलो ते तुमी मातशें रिप्ले करात आनी आयज तेंचो स्टँड कितें तें तुमी पळयात. So you'll understand the game which was being played, the genuine kind of a concern they had when they were in opposition, and how that genuine concern has disappeared is what you need to ask them, because each one is trying to change his statement now. So before elections it was one game, now after elections the second game, changing parties become third game. So my only simple thing is, we should think about war. We should not think about politics. This is not about politics. It's about you and me. Today we may be here, tomorrow we won't be there. But this damage, not only to environment but also to people, will be eternal, which will have a long-term cascading effect. So I appeal to the authorities, don't play with the lives of our people. Don't allow this to go down. You will be down in history for having finished war.
Sir, Congress will go in the court against double tracking.
Matter is already there, and I will see now what we will have to examine it. I can't answer that question offhand, and it will be also from another point of view that we have to look at it as to certain other issues. One petition is, by the way, pending. The High Court has admitted already a petition which I had appeared in the matter. So we are waiting. Let us see whether we can revive that petition, get it up on board for early hearing. But let us see how we can work on that. And as far as whether Congress will take it or not, I think our party leaders, I'm just an MLA there, so it's my party which will have to take a decision and give you the answer.
Thank you.